everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you some Punjabi suit designs and various types of patiala salwar to be paired with. These includes different patterns like regular salwar, tulip salwar, dhoti salwar and jumpsuit salwar. So please continue watching till end to see the traditional Indian outfits for party wears.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.